I got this feeling inside my bones.
Good morning, everyone. PipsMatter is right now in Belgrade, Serbia. We're working on doing some educational seminars here as well. More on this to come later on. So we're going to go over everything you need to know before you start trading today. So the main market movers for today will be the FOMC minutes, which will come out for the September meeting. The committee, was very divided in the September meeting with 3 members actually voting for an instant hike, the same number voting for no hikes at all this year, and 10 members are actually signaling for 1 hike. Hence the importance of this discussion. So it will clear up the clouds for the market, and people will start understanding a little bit more what's going on. We've had dollar strength since the FOMC meeting. We believe that strength is about to end today. We have industrial production for August for the euro area. Industrial production actually saw a very large monthly drop of 1.1 in July, which was pretty much led by the weak German industrial production. That's pretty much it for today. There's not much else happening. The main things are, the most important thing will be the FOMC meeting later on today. There are a few really good technical setups forming today, and with the FOMC happening in about 12 hours time from now, a bit less, these technical setups could make us some serious money. So these are the trades that I'm talking about. So we have AUD USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, and we also have gold. So the first one is Euro USD. You can clearly see it here. This is a clear systematical triangle on the daily chart. Okay, so we clearly have, this is basically the fourth try of the triangle. The only 2 possibilities that can happen here is price dropping rapidly downwards, or price heading back into the triangle all the way up to the next level, which is about 200 pips away. I do see a lot of movement in the dollar today, especially with the FOMC minutes, which I spoke about recently. These are very important scenarios, and like I said, there is a breakout possibility, and there's going to be a big move. Now, we are more for the buy than for the sell, roughly about 80% buy. Hence the reason why we actually have a position open. For me to quickly go over GBP USD, because we do have quite a few people asking us about this. This is the main area right now, roughly about the 120. This is a very important area, and we do believe price, once it comes here again, will go up. So this is a very good buy area based on this. So right there, this is going to be a very good buy area. Right now, what we see happening is GBP USD heading a bit higher, especially with the FOMC today. We do believe it's going to be weak for the dollar. So we don't see the pair going further down, but we do see it going a little bit up and then heading back down. Here's our second trade of the day. We're looking at gold, and we do see buy entries over here. There is a very strong doji candle right there, and we do believe that price of gold will begin to slowly move higher to the 1275 area before moving either further up or further down. So that's pretty much it for gold. We're going to write up a better, a longer and more interesting analysis on it. But we do see gold heading much higher by the end of the year. By the end of this year, we do see gold targeting the 140 area, somewhere around here, around here, and then to the 1.5, the next level, and then we keep moving, upwards. Yen, this is a very interesting side here because there is a small breakout of the trend. So if you check this, you see it looks like a breakout, right? And most people would say yes, it probably is. It was a good chance to actually buy the pair as well. But we also have right now a pretty strong double top, and we do have on the daily chart systematical triangle over here, basically almost like a flag, well basically yeah, a flag pattern indicating further movement. We also have a doji candle here, which we believe by tonight, by the FOMC time, this pair will go back inside this area here, which is around the 100 level. Final trade. This is US dollar CAD. We do see the Canadian dollar regaining its strength sometime today, well, most likely by the FOMC minutes, and heading downwards towards the 131 area and even possibly to the 130 area. There's not much else to say there. I mean, oil did go up to 52, which we did say it would go, and it went to 52 and then it just dropped back down. We do see more strength from oil. We do see more strength from the Canadian dollar, and we do see weakness from the US dollar. So that's pretty much it for today's analysis. We're going to be working on providing you as much information as possible for everything that's actually happening in the markets. Now, we are going to have a live trading chamber today for the FOMC. It's being created right now, so make sure you contact HQ at PipsMatter.com for all the information regarding the session, how you can join, where you can find it, what time it starts, and everything else you need to know about trading this evening. Hey, please excuse my nose. I've caught a little flu over here in Belgrade. I'm sure it's gonna pass by tomorrow. I've been taking some medication and gonna do a bit of meditation, and I'm pretty sure that's all gonna pass. I really hope to see as many of you as possible at this live trading session. For you just to know that all of those trades that we opened, basically AUD USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, gold, and euro dollar, they're actually all in profit right now. They are going to wiggle around a little bit, but we do see them coming into profit later in the evening. Thank you for watching this video, and we wish you all the very best. Stay safe.
You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want, but you must try. Try and try. Try and try. You'll succeed at last.